Hi guys, this is Mike at netbooklive.net and I'm here with a very interesting 13.3-inch device. This is the Asus U36J, the black version, which is actually the top configuration of this series. We had a previous clip, we've had a quick look at the silver version, but this one is the black finish and it comes with a couple of extra goodies. First of all, let's take a look at it. It's right here on our desk. It feels not very light, but it is still quite okay for a 13.3-incher. This version goes for I believe it weighs around 3.7, 3.8 pounds, which is actually quite nice. And but it is, however, very slim. As you can see right here, it is quite slim, looks very sleek. I will, for instance, compare it with the standard Toshiba netbook. This is a 10-inch netbook, and you can see the netbook is slightly smaller, but in terms of width, the Asus is a lot thicker, as you can see. So very nice. The cover is covered in some kind of magnesium alloy cover, so looks very nice. It feels very solid. The lid cover doesn't bend even a bit. On the back, as you can see, this part is entirely covered in plastic. You have quick access to memory here via this bay, so it's very easy to upgrade this. And here there's the battery. On this version, this is the bigger battery. As you can see, it's slightly bumped and it's not perfectly integrated with the rest of the device, because this is a 83 watt-hour battery, so it's quite big. One of the best you're going to find on a 13.3-incher. Like I said, the silver version comes with a smaller battery, and that one is similar to this one, but without this bump here. And that one is also slightly lighter because of that. Besides this, let's also take a look at the ports around the sides of this device. What you have here, this is a LAN, this is a USB 2.0 and a USB 3.0 here. What you have here is the card reader, microphone and headphones. On the front are all these cooling vents, a lot of cooling vents. And on the side there's another cooling vent here, another USB, an HDMI, a VGA output, power in and Kensington lock. So pretty much all you're going to need on a device. As you can see, there are quite a lot of cooling vents on this device, because the hardware inside is quite powerful, and because of this very thin shape, Asus needed to make something with heat dissipation. Thus, they use so many cooling fans. Let's open the lid. First, you're going to notice that this part is glossy, like on all Asus devices. There's a 13.3-inch display and a glossy bezel around it, while this part is covered in the same aluminum, in the same magnesium alloy finish. Looks very nice. It's scratch free, smudges free. It's going to perform very well in time. And you also have here a Chiquit keyboard, full-size Chiquit keyboard, pretty standard to the one we saw before on other Asus devices, but it doesn't bend, it has no flex at all, so it's very comfortable. And on the bottom part you have the trackpad, which is slightly differentiated from the palm rest, but it comes with the same smooth finish, magnesium alloy smooth finish, and two click buttons right here, which are fairly easy to press. They are kind of glossy, but are actually quite comfortable to use and very nice. And between them there's a fingerprint reader, which you have only on this more expensive version. And below here are the status LEDs, very nicely placed below the trackpad. Let's actually power the device. I should tell you that this one comes with Core i5 processor, the Core i5 460M, clocked at 2.53 GHz. There are 4 GB of RAM inside, 500 GB storage, so pretty much all things you need. There's also hybrid graphics with Intel HD graphics and NVIDIA 310M plus Optimus, so it changes automatically between hardware, between these graphic cards, depending on the things you're going to do on your device. So I think this is all with the presentation of the Asus U36J, which is actually one of the best looking 13.3-inch laptops right now on the market. We're going to have another clip coming by with details about performances and battery life, and also about prices and availability. So please take a look at that as well. Thanks.